Hello students, today we are going to read about the next part of the chapter, that is chemical properties of non-metals. Earlier you have read about the properties of metals, all the chemical and physical properties. Like metals, non-metals also have some chemical properties, or we can say that they also react with the other things which are present in our environment. When we talk about most of the non-metals, they react with oxygen to form acidic oxides and some other form neutral oxides also. These oxides turn blue litmus red, showing that it is an acid. The non-metals do not react with water and acids. A more reactive non-metal displaces a less reactive non-metal from its salt solution. Now we will read about the differences between physical properties of metals and non-metals. When we talk about metals and non-metals, they are having some basic differences. For example, metals are solid at room temperature, non-metals are generally solid or gaseous. Mercury is the only metal which is found in liquid state, but when we talk about the other non-metals, bromine is only non-metal which exists in the liquid state. Metals are malleable and ductile, while non-metals are generally neither malleable nor ductile. Metals are generally lustrous, or we can say that they have a shiny surface. Non-metals are non-lustrous except iodine and graphite. Metals are good conductors of heat except bismuth, while non-metals are poor conductor of heat. Metals are generally hard except sodium and potassium. Non-metals are quite soft. All the metals are good conductors of electricity, but non-metals are poor conductor of electricity. Metals are sonorous, non-metals are non-sonorous. Metals are having high tensile strength except zinc, and non-metals have low tensile strength. Now we will read about the differences between chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Most of the metals react with oxygen to form basic oxides, while non-metals form acidic oxide or neutral oxides. Metals react with water to form metal hydroxide or oxide and hydrogen gas, while non-metals do not react with water under normal conditions. Metals react with acids to form respective salts and hydrogen gas. Non-metals do not react with acids at all. Reactive metals react with bases to form hydrogen gas. Reaction of non-metals with bases is very complicated. Metals show displacement reactions. Most of the non-metals do not show displacement reaction, but certain more reactive non-metals displace less reactive non-metals.